In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Ocean Protocol step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and you're gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, go to your wallet here and click Fiat and Spot. And make sure that you have BUSD, or if you don't have one, you can choose either USDT, BTC, or BNB. On the search bar here, type down Ocean and then click trade, and you can choose any of this pair. You can choose Ocean BNB, Ocean BTC, Ocean BUSD, and Ocean USDT. And I'll choose Ocean BUSD. Just click here, scroll down, and you can choose limit, market, or stop limit here, but we're going to choose market. And now you can type the amount of BUSD you want, but make sure that it is above 10 BUSD because it will not work if it is less than 10 BUSD. So I will just type down 11 BUSD here and then click buy Ocean. And then go to your wallet here, click Fiat and Spot. And now you can see here the total amount of Ocean Protocol I have. And if you have any questions about how to buy Ocean Protocol, leave a comment below.